My name is Jochen Biedermann. I'm the CEO of Blockchain Asia, a Hong Kong-based company focusing on bringing blockchain solutions from Asia to Europe and vice versa. I had the pleasure to speak this morning at the Blockchain for Business 4-day hackathon, focusing on real-world blockchain solutions on the prevailing trends in Asia, in the blockchain space. For instance, interesting Asian blockchain products, but also, the overall statistics. We have seen a lot of developments and investment into blockchain technology in the Americas. We have seen it in Europe. We have different hubs worldwide focusing on blockchain solution. But Asia is coming up a lot. The investments are increasing significantly by over 60% on a year-to-year basis. And my hope is, or my expectation is, that in countries like mainland China, the blockchain technology will be more and more adopted and will become big, like we have seen it in fintech space, in payment, with players like Alipay and financial, Tencent with VPay and so on. So my expectation is that Asian blockchain solutions in Europe will prosper. They will focus on one hand on the financial services, but on the other hand also on IoT, real-world problems, for instance in the car space, automotive space. So among the clients of my companies are not only Chinese, but also Korean blockchain companies. They have those products, they have developed it, be it as an offspring of universities or being financed by token sales, initial coin offerings in places like Singapore, but also due to venture capital coming from China. If you just look at the company of Hangzhou, which is a second-tier city in China with something like 6 million inhabitants, 1 hour away from Shanghai. It happens to be the headquarter of Ant Financial and Alibaba. They have set up a fund of 1.8 billion euro, focusing on blockchain technology, 10 billion RMB. So this is just one example how venture capital move into that space and will come to better solutions and also solution for the global market. In addition to that, the Chinese government is pushing hard for successful blockchain technology adoption because they have well understood how important blockchain might become as a game changer in the financial industry and beyond. Besides that, also Singapore is pushing hard for this, which has become one of the ICO hubs and hubs for blockchain in general. Also the Hong Kong authorities, the Hong Kong SAR is doing a lot. Besides, Taiwan is worth to mention. And also in the Japanese market, we see a lot of interesting blockchain application in the energy space, which is a prevailing topic for Japan after the crisis and problems in that sector. Overall, I trust the Asian market will develop steadily and the growth will continue. Besides that, of course, we will also see interesting solution in Europe and in the Americas. The European solution, we help to go to Asia. They also want to have access to those large markets. They might look for a place to start their business beyond Europe. Singapore and Hong Kong are two places which are often considered from blockchain companies from Germany in particular as a basis for their Asian operations. So overall, I hope this hackathon Blockchain for Business will be interesting, will produce interesting results in the real blockchain application space, and I hope one or the other product out of this hackathon I might also help in the future to go to Asia. Thank you very much.